the fuck is this thing? What the fuck is Ryan doing here? Na ganyan lang eh. Hold on, I'm gonna get something real quick. Ah! You serious? This is gonna take 10 hours. So yeah. Hold on later. Guys, I'm gonna stop real quick. Do you know what he did? Boring. I see his. Oh! I see his armpit. Oh. Uh, Peppa was at Peppa's house. Peppa was walking downstairs to see what Mommy was watching on television. Mommy Pig was watching the news. News reporter, Rabbit. A strange disease was discovered earlier today in the laboratory. All the hospitals were shut due to the overflow of patients coming in with the same condition. News reporter Rabbit. The hospitals were so overflowed, even the nurses were infected. We do not